think your hand is in the camera.
Nope.
Okay, so it's later in the day, and later in the day is just about 5 minutes. And my cameraman, my camera woman is my daughter Ariane, who is helping me, and I'm just asking her to make sure her finger is not in the way of the camera. And then we'll play the second song. Your love is kind. Your love is patient. You fill my heart with so much peace and joy. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much.
Too much, excess love. Jesus, you love me too much, too much, excess love.
You're
Amazing. You make my life feel brand new.
You're amazing. You make my life feel brand new. Jesus, you love me too much, too much, excess love. There you go. Thank you. We'll keep you updated. And so now I'm learning the piano. I've taught myself from YouTube, the guitar, the violin, and of course, what is that little thing you're playing again? The one that does
The xylophone.
the xylophone. Yeah. Cheers.
Bye.